So the first thing you're going to do is open up the door, and then you're going to go down to the floorboard here. So that's where your left foot would be. You're going to come straight up from there, right behind that hood emblem, back of it, and you're going to pull forward. You'll hear a pop, and you heard that, so now we can go around to the front of the vehicle. On all Subaru vehicles, all you're going to do is you're going to find the Subaru emblem, and the latch is actually directly above that, but if you come a little bit to the right side of it, and you put your hand palm down there, slide it to the left, and then lift up. So now once you've opened up the hood on the left side here of the car, you'll see this little black box here, and there's 2 clips. We're just going to pull those clips up, and this is where you're going to get into your air filter. So you can do this. It's going to take a little pushing, and you can pop that air filter out. There we go. So you can remove that air filter, grab a new one, and you can place that new one back in there, and push it back in. Then once you have that, you're going to make sure this is seated. Push that back into place. Snap those clips, and that's all you have to do to change your air filter. This one is a 2018 Subaru. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.